Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can sell Byte Token. In order to sell the Byte coin or in order to solve the problem, you just have to follow the steps. In order to do this procedure, you can use a external wallet account, that is HTX. So for that, go ahead and open up a browser and log in into your HTX. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, you could go ahead and select the trade, and when you actually press the trade button, now go ahead and select buy network price. When you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So click on the trade button. On the next field, you'll be able to see all of these. So here you could go ahead and press the sell button, and if you're ready to sell, then type in the exact amount that you wish to sell. And once you've done that, you need to go ahead and confirm the destination, all of that, and with that you'll have successfully sold Byte tokens. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.